Welcome to Alone Together Baking, where we bake together alone. I'm Sky, and this is my holiday cheer. Because today we are going to bake chocolate crinkles. Now, these cookies are normally associated with the holidays, but they are so gorgeous and so chocolatey that they should be eaten year round. So let's get to this. We have 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 cups white sugar, half a cup oil, 4 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. So we're going to whisk together the flour, the salt, and the baking soda. Then we're going to whisk together the cocoa powder, sugar, oil, vanilla, and eggs. Now we're going to mix the flour mixture into the chocolate mixture. Now we'll cover and place in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I'm back. After refrigerating the dough overnight, I'm going to roll them into 1-inch balls, coat them in powdered sugar, and place them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I'm going to put these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll be back. The chocolate crinkles are cooling on the pan, and don't they look scrumptious? Be sure to bake some for friends and family. It's been a treat baking with you today. For a written recipe, go to alonetogetherbaking.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm Sky, and let's bake together again soon.